Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rack adjuster clip that goes on this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and Jenn Air. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The rack adjuster clip works together with the dish rack adjuster to lock the upper rack in place at your chosen height. It holds the adjuster securely so the rack stays at the correct position during loading, unloading, and operation. Over time, the clip can break or crack from the repeated stress of frequent use in adjusting the upper rack. Once broken, the adjuster can no longer hold the rack securely at the desired height. If the rack adjuster clip fails, you may notice upper rack dropping out of position or feeling loose when you try to adjust it. Replacing a broken rack adjuster clip restores a secure hold and allows the upper rack to stay locked at your preferred height. The rack adjuster clips are sold individually and work on either the right-hand or left-hand rack adjusters. If you need to purchase a replacement rack adjuster clip for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a small flathead screwdriver. To access and replace the rack adjuster clip, open the dishwasher's door and slide out the upper rack. The replacement process is the same on either the left or right side of the upper rack. The rack adjuster clips can be replaced without removing the upper rack from the dishwasher. To remove the rack adjuster clip, use a small flathead screwdriver to press in the locking tab of the adjuster clip from the outside of the rack. While the tab is pressed, slide the adjuster clip up to remove it from the rack adjuster. The rack adjuster clip is now free from the rack and can be discarded. When ordering a replacement rack adjuster clip, avoid low-quality, aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. To install the rack adjuster clip, slide it into place until it locks. You may need to push the rack adjuster in towards the center of the rack to slide the clip into place. Push the rack in and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.